This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Shauna Lane. This home has a lot to offer. Featuring an open floor plan with mahogany flooring, cherry cabinets, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. Over 2,500 square feet of living space and a spacious master suite with a private bath. You'll enjoy entertaining in the fenced backyard with an 2-car attached garage. Minutes from shopping, highways, military bases and more. Look no more and turn an extraordinary home opportunity into your reality. For more information, review the details below or contact Shauna Lane at 757-652-7544.